for all the Harry Potter fans out there, this really, really cool Wizarding World 4D puzzle. And what they mean by 4D is because you really have not just a flat lay puzzle, but check this out. So you would start with the actual puzzle itself. So puzzles like we normally know. So you have that on the first layer. Second layer, you have this as a second layer that goes on top. And then check this out, guys. It actually is pretty cool. These foam parts will help you create this 3D and 4D space. So basically you will be creating an elevated kind of structure of the entire Wizarding World, just like you're seeing here. So everything elevated, it's super cool, really cool. Puzzle that you're not usually seeing because it has different layers to it. It does measure an entire 71 centimeters by 48 by 6.5. 6.5 is actually the height, which is cool. Really, really nice. And it's got 892 pieces. So if you are big fans, or if you know someone that is a big fan of Harry Potter, this little set, this 4D puzzle is ideal, and I highly recommend it.